long and I wanted to change, and I don't know, I feel like it's something good to do if I had this much hair.
I just cut off 8 inches of hair for Locks of Love. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. I felt like I just needed a change, and I kept telling myself it's for the kids, so I think that's what helped me like get through it.
Stop moving your head.
We all just work together to make sure the assembly runs smoothly and organizes all the participants and things like that.
Well, it's always been really important to me, and it's also a very big cause, and my sister also did it. My older sister did it last year, and then I did it with my sister this year.